Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabilah binti Roslan and my matrix number is 08DKA19F2024. And today I'm going to explain a process of cleaning a refrigerator in the easiest way. Let's start. Firstly, the switch is turned off. Do not touch the switch with a wet hand. Then, foods and drinks are removed from the refrigerator. The refrigerator compartments are taken out. Then, the compartments are washed using soap and water. Do not wash the compartments too rough because it may break. Make sure to clean thoroughly to avoid soap and bubbles from getting into food and drinks. The compartments are dried out using dry towels or tissues. Afterwards, the compartments are organized to its original place. Food and drinks are organized to its original place. Finally, the switch is turned on. As a conclusion, we have to clean and sanitize the place that we store our food to make sure it is disinfected and safe. So, by cleaning a refrigerator, it will avoid us from getting any foodborne illness from the germs and mold from the spillage in the refrigerator. Thank you.